Good morning and welcome once again to Wednesdays at Lorts. We're coming to you today from our 150 square foot factory in Goodyear, Arizona. The items you're going to see today are an example of a design element that has been transformed to be totally different pieces. As I've mentioned before, Lorts and custom go together. If you have an idea, a design element or style that you'd like to see carried through to different items, we can help with that. This particular concept was first seen in our 8615 table base. It's affectionately known as our Urn Table. Our urn is open and airy and allows you to see the beautiful characteristics of the wood from any angle. It's available in our timeless solid alder hardwood, but it can be specified in any species that you require for your style in your space. Because of its popular style, the 8615 has become a piece that people wanted to see in many applications. It started out as a medium-sized dining table base, utilizing a round top. It's been transformed to several base sizes, to an end table and card table, each proportionately sized depending on its function. As always, each piece is available in your choice of finish, paint, sheen level, and is made in our family-owned American factory. Let us know if we can make your design a reality. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next week.